the best back on the screen.
I don't know what the fuck I'm tweaking.
Drop a light.
How is that open?
He's crying already. It's KD. Yo, listen, because I'm chilling and talking to my mic. Y'all gotta chill with the thinking I'm trying to be zesty. Chill with that thinking I'm trying to be zesty or something. I don't know. KD.
Really playing like KD, like it's crazy. The nation, my bad.
Of course I am.
Oh, I thought they should. This nigga, hey Kevin Durant, good shit, bro.
Y'all see what's going on? Trash from Green? Like what? Like niggas just be mad when I be dressed up, suited up like KD. I'm the best KD. Watch how I work. These niggas was talking trash all game chat. Okay, step up. It's him, the real one. Bow. Found new settings, all that. Y'all gotta really show up. Yeah, that's on you. No, you good, bro.
What's this? 2 versus 3? That's cool.
He ain't good. He ain't good. He was snagging up on me, post scoring me, so he was talking all that trash. You know, they gotta keep telling themselves that's cool, that's cool. They gotta keep saying that to themselves to feel good. Oh, come on, let's work, team. Hit him.
I know he was going to push.
Oh no, we need that. Don't worry, good D. Okay. One more time.
Fuck.
I get the very late. Look at the algorithm. We gonna show it though. We gonna show it. Does he do it? No, he doesn't. Hold on. Yeah, he should have just took that layup. Dot. Let's run it. There it is.
Bro, if you got the bucket in front of you, my nigga, why don't you just take it?
He's angry now.
Oh, fuck out of here, nigga.
Look at him. Listen to him. 19. Look.
Wow.
It's all good. Other bro was ass.
Yeah, GG's.
Yeah, it was just a point guard, bro. He wasn't playing defense.
22.
Random cooked up. We got that one to pull through. Look at KD. Look at the movement. I found my timing, my visual cue, everything. I found it. New settings. I found everything. I'm good now. Look at this. Bow. I'm good now. Bow. Look at the types of shots we could take. All KD6 too, mind you. Not everything, but most KD6. Bow from the 3-point line. Once we get the cap breakers on his build, do you know how nasty he's going to be? You know how dirty he's going to be? And all I'm putting it to is his shooting attributes, because I see what they did with this game. I'm already shooting good now with these new settings, but it's like, okay, if I make the shooting attributes to get badges, because I'm gonna be able to get legend, basically set shot shooter, you know, set shot specialist. So trust, there's more to come to him. See that 100% from the 3-point line. There go the stats right there to show y'all. Y'all know I shoot tough shots. That's just my gameplay. That's my game style. I'm gonna show y'all some more shots too with the man KD. People just be hating every time, like, yo, you really not KD, you some ass. Look at this shot. Boom. We still doing that from 24. Hold on. Oh, watch this. Look at this. Woo, snatch to the midi. Bow. Come on. Who really do it like this? Like, y'all don't be watching no real KDs, do y'all? Bow. Y'all don't be watching no real KDs, do y'all? Look at this. We gonna show y'all the misses too, because we get it back and then we just green again, because we know the Q is just 2K got the algo system. Bow. So sometimes we gotta go take some fades like that, tough fades, just to knock a shot down. Look at this. Oh, watch KD get out to that 3 line. I'm telling you, I will be disgusting. They better not send no patch out. Regardless of that, we just gonna be training, and I'm gonna be to that level anyway. Look at this. I'm peeking, like I'm still him. The new settings got me going crazy, honestly, on the KD build. That's what it really is. Like this. Wow, you can't leave me open no more like this. These shots are going to get knocked down. I'm getting fat like this, how I am right now. Like, you see, we got take. Take is like, you really got to, you know, put in some work to get take, unless you're a big man. Oh, look at this. 19. Look what I'm doing. Watch this game. Like, people really hate when I score. I don't know what it is. I don't know, because I score so different. Like, people really hate. I don't know if they think I'm just, it's luck, it's some fake stuff, it's random stuff. Like, this was the shot I was trying to take. They should have let me green that. I don't know if because my controller was turning off and it made me not green it. Like, that was tough. We needed this, because look what happens. Look. Why would he shoot that? Why not give it to KD? He's hot. Oh, look at the movements. Look at the movements. Fade. You got to put a hand up quick. This is the real him. The real 35. Oh, look at the body contact. Get off me. And then I tell y'all to do that slow KD walk up and you just go crazy. Look at the movements. Whoa. Hold on. Let me go to a fade again. Do y'all see the power of this build? Y'all see how I'm moving on him? We don't look like a robot. We actually showing y'all the movements. Yeah. Watch this. The post game here too. We not even going crazy on that yet. We got more to come to show y'all that. Going wild with the post game. Look at this. MIDI game is just on fire. This is my new settings. Like, this is all gameplay for the new settings. We locked in. Look at me. Oh my. Shooting over people too. You don't got a hand up. New settings. We shooting over. Bow. Y'all already see I got the set shot specialist Hall of Fame. So I get my attributes up. I put my MIDI up a little bit more. Like, we get it up. Like, it's over with. It's over with.
Because I'm beautiful, nigga.
Shut up. Bow.
Yeah.
Put your sneakers on.
Yeah, put his sneakers on. It's him, the real KD.
Like that, I cannot lie. I don't know.
Watch this.
You lagging?
Yeah, he is. Perfect greens. All net. Snap in the back of the net. Ho.
Hell no.
You see how people just think hell no when I take certain shots? This is the play style. The real one. Each shot is different, so they just expect it for you to miss. But when the consistency shows, it's like, yo, he was cooking. Oh, look at the movements.
Y'all trash as hell.
Got people disrespecting their teammates. First they was talking trash, but at the end, I make them disrespect their teammates and separate. All October, that's all I'm doing. Now, I'm going to get on to everything else with KD. Alright, these boys love driving around in their cars. Now, first off, I want to show you guys my rep. We're close to starter, okay? And we want the cap breakers, which are at starter 3. That's right there. We're about to start grinding that and going crazy. This was just solo with randoms, you know, so come on, with the squad, this is going to be easy. We're gonna get that experience with the cap breakers to make KD go crazy. And like I said, I'm going to throw it 3 on his mid-range to get that 95 mid-range, get that set shot specialist on Hall of Fame. So when I do get a cap breaker, it just goes to legend, you know. Then we're spraying, you know. And then the other 2 may just go to my 3-pointer just to make it better. Everything else on KD, I like where it's at. It feels very, very good. I mean, if we see anywhere else that's fit to put the cap breakers on him, then we'll be good to go, and we'll just probably put it somewhere else. Maybe we can see how post control can do, you know. Maybe I think this could be maxed out though. I don't think there's any more potential here. I'm not sure, but the build is fire. Okay, he's bounced everywhere. We can definitely put cap breakers to his rebounding, but we're not doing anything like that. I know some people will want to, but that's just not where I feel like KD should have some of his stats, you know. Like, I don't know. He does rebound, but I can rebound with this 63. It's enough for me. Should I waste my cap breakers there when I can make them stronger in my shooting? You know what I mean? Or maybe put some to the perimeter or what, like, still, but no. Those are too low of stats. I feel it's the best to just add his cap breakers to the shooting and really get that ultimate KD power, because the shooting already to me is crazy right now. So if I just get the rest of that and just add there, it's just OD. So that's what I'm really focusing on, guys, to get the cap breakers there. The driving dunk, I get good driving dunks. The future cap breakers, yeah, I could put some to drive and dunk, you know, but I get good driving dunks still. The build, I mainly use it to ISO and shoot around, like fades, 3-pointers, catch and shoot, and splits when they're needed, you know. And then I can actually go into the post game with the build. You see the badges. There's still more I need to add to the badges, right? But you see maxed out, what else we have that we need to max out? We just have where's the badge at? Post up poet, here it is. This badge we get to Hall of Fame. This badge will be extra good for us when we're doing those post spins off of players and stuff like that. So very, very, and that's, yes, post hook specialist. We're gonna be using this too. This badge is gonna be fire as well. So KD build, I like it. And flow game, I forgot about this flow game. Yes, with the close shot, yes, when we get really, really close to the rim. So the build, I'm loving the build, y'all. He's feeling good. There's more to come with the build, especially with the shooting later on in the game. He feels great. So drop that like, man. Showcasing the KD build to y'all again, showcasing his shooting, the new settings, man. Get this video to 100 likes fast if y'all want the new shooting settings for the KD builds, for all my builds, really. I just found the way. I feel like I found the way now. Even with the algorithm system, it's just I have a more confidence in shooting regardless of that, you know. And I feel like that's the way now to go. All right, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.